Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with a firm English cucumber, rinsed and dried. This gives clean cuts. First, trim both ends, then, if you want less skin, peel 1/2 strip for texture contrast. Next, stabilize the cucumber by placing it flat. Make a straight lengthwise cut to form 2 halves. Once done, lay the halves cut side down so they won't roll. Make continuous, even slices to create thin planks. These are easier to roll and provide consistent bite for your sushi. Once you have planks, stack them carefully to keep alignment. This saves time and ensures uniformity. Use a sharp knife to trim the edges into straight, even strips. This creates consistent width for neat rolls. Then, slice across into matchsticks or small batons depending on whether you need filling or topping. Make slices about 2 to 3 millimeters thick so they stay flexible but not watery. This balance helps rice adhesion and gives the right crunch versus. You finish by removing surface moisture. Pat pieces gently on a paper towel to prevent sogginess in the roll. When topping nigiri, use a small dab of sushi rice or wasabi under the cucumber to anchor it. This prevents slipping during plating. If your pieces feel limp or wet, make sure to pat again, then chill them for 5 to 10 minutes so they firm up. If slices tear, cut thicker next time and work slowly. Sharp knives reduce tearing, and steady pressure keeps edges clean.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.